learn a SmartKey onto a system, enter the master user code. Press Menu. Press Yes or Tick. Use the scroll buttons until Do you want to set up users is displayed. Press Yes or Tick. Select the user where the SmartKey is being added to. Press Omit. Press No or Cross to start the learn process. Power up the SmartKey by pressing the On button on the SmartKey for approximately 4 seconds. The acknowledgement tone indicates a SmartKey has been learnt on. To delete a SmartKey from a user slot, select the user. Press Omit. Press No or Cross. Press Reset. The SmartKey has now been deleted.